Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll be making a DIY paper and with waste papers or waste copy. I am using my notes, means my earlier notes, ये class 9 के notes है मेरे. तुम कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. For example, an old book that you don't need or a copy that you don't need or even newspapers. Newspaper are the best option. एंड जस्ट कट इट रैंडमली. आई नॉट से रैंडमली, तुम उसको सीधा सीधा काट सकते हो एकदम स्ट्रेट लाइन्स में, तो काम बहुत जल्दी हो सकता है. आई एम कटिंग. मैं बाद में जब दूसरा के लिए ट्राई की तो आई गॉट इट द स्ट्रेट काटने में ज़्यादा जल्दी हो रहा है. पेपर्स को पानी के अंदर डाल देना तब, बिकॉज वी नीड टू कीप इट फॉर अराउंड 2 to 3 hours. So finally we are done with the paper cutting, and it's the last paper, I guess. Yes, it's the last paper. So finally we are done. So उसको properly पानी में soak करके रख दो for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, put all the papers in the mixer grinder or mixie, whatever you call it, and then just grind it so that it becomes like a paste or thick paste. So after the paste is done, take another bowl and just fill it with water, with the water that you think it is required. Just fill it and then pour all the paste that you have made in your mixer grinder into that water. Yes, see, you can see I'm just pouring it with spoon, because पहले थोड़ा अच्छे से स्पून में डाल के मैं मिक्स कर रही हूँ. मैं लास्ट में बिग स्पून डाल देना और जस्ट मिक्स इट. दैट्स इट. अगर थोड़े बहुत बड़े चंक्स रह जाते हैं पेपर के, then it's fine. Just moving forward, take a big strainer, and I'm telling you this is gonna be hustle, because kabhi kabhi it will be thick, kabhi kabhi it will be light, so you need to struggle a lot. After one stage of struggle, there comes the another stage. In this stage is that you need to pour that paper out of the strainer. मेरी वीडियोस में देखी थी बस ऐसे टैप करने से पेपर सूख जाता था, लेकिन मेरे केस में ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था. द पेपर वॉज जस्ट टेकिंग आउट एंड फिर बाद में वो ख़राब हो जा रहा था. देन इवेंचुअली आई नीड टू डू इट अगेन, सो दैट वाज नॉट वर्किंग इन माई केस. सो आई जस्ट गॉट एन अनदर आइडिया, बिकॉज आई नीड टू डू इट. दैट्स इट. बहुत सारे फेल्ड अटेम्प्ट्स हुए, बट आई वॉज लाइक नो, आई नीड टू डू इट, सो आई नीड टू डू इट. So for you, if you couldn't ace it in the first go even, just wait, it will be done eventually. I have also put down the BTS or the fail attempts, you can say, during this at the end of the video. Don't forget to watch that. As that method was totally not at all working for me, so I just let the strainer sit with the paper for around 30 minutes, and then I decided to flip it, and I did it, and voila, it did work for me. The idea behind it is that to allow the water to strain by itself, because मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था, बहुत सारे failed attempts हो गए थे, so I just let it strain by itself and then flip it, and then just let it sit for around 24 hours. Just don't touch it for 24 hours, and then by that tomorrow this result will come up to you. You can also make various colorful DIY papers by using colorful papers or by using colors and just mixing the colors with the paper paste, and it will work for you. And yeah, this is my result, and I'm pretty happy with my result. You can even write something here, it looks really nice, and it will also work as a craft. You can even also gift it to someone, a handwritten letter on a handmade paper. It will look really nice and heartwarming. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe button below, and also the like button, and also the bell icon, so that whenever I post a video you get notified. Thank you my friends. See you again. Don't forget to check out the videos or the field items.